I'm at Imagine Orthodontic Studio in Clearwater. So happy to be joined by Dr. Allison Starkenberg. Great to see you today. How are you?
Excellent. Thanks for being here.
You bet. Okay, so we're having a really interesting conversation off air. Going to bring you in talking about orthodontics. And I didn't realize how much movement in your jaw affects orthodontic treatment. It doesn't just have to do with straightening your teeth, but also how your jaw is aligned, and especially comes into play when you're talking about kids who are still developing and growing.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Roxanne. The beauty of being an orthodontist is we do a lot more than just straightening teeth, which is of course the easiest thing to see, but we're monitoring the whole growth and development of the oral facial complex. So trying to see if jaws are too narrow, too far forward, too far back. And there's a lot of things that we can do to address this in our clinic. For example, a common issue is the top jaw being too narrow, which can interestingly cause issues with airflow and airway. So some patients might see that they are snoring, have pretty severe allergies, and apart from just addressing the teeth, we actually see improvements in a lot of these things with our appliances like expanders and other modalities of treatment.
Interesting. Okay, so I'm thinking about orthodontics. I've got 2 children, and already cost starts to come into play. And
Yes.
I know that you look into all the options with your
Absolutely.
patients, finding affordable options and financing plans, and even looking at what health coverage they're going to get based on x-rays, bite inclusion.
Yes. Yeah, we really pride ourselves here in trying our best to find flexible payment plans, initial down payments, and we take pretty much all insurances here, including Medicaid. And if you do qualify for the severity of your bite, then you could have coverage for treatment, and we are really excited to help as many people as we can.
Sure. Okay, now with that in mind, with all those, looking at the best ways to have flexible payment plans, you're still giving the best coverage and utilizing the
Yes.
best technology, especially in those scans and x-rays that you do.
Yes, we're really lucky here. We have a 3D x-ray machine, intraoral scanning, so none of those goopy impressions, and try to keep things top notch.
Very good. What would you tell parents who are thinking about bringing their kids in? One thing I do want to mention as you're answering this question, great environment. So you back in my day when I was going to the orthodontist, I didn't really think about, oh, this is going to be a great time, or I'm excited about it. I just wanted to get my teeth straightened. But now you come in, this is a wonderful environment and wonderful staff.
Yes, we try to keep it fun, exciting, lighthearted. People generally are looking forward to improving their smile. And the awesome thing is it's never too late for orthodontic treatment. So even parents, if you're interested, we treat all ages here.
I'm glad you brought that up, because sometimes you think, okay, well, I'm going to bring my child in here, but you might not think I'm eligible too. I should come in and get an evaluation.
Yes, yeah, we would love to see you. The options for treatment may be slightly different based on your age, but again, it's never too late for your dream smile.
What's the average time frame that someone might be in braces or be in liners?
Generally around 2 years, could be less, could be more, depending on what's included in your treatment plan, but on average 2 years.
And you've been practicing for a while. What's the best thing for you when a patient walks out of here? I mean, to have that happy smile. What feels really good for you?
The moment we reveal their new smile after the braces come off, we love to celebrate, and the moment they take a look and just have that happy reaction, it's worth it all.
Love it. It's been so great talking with you today, and if you want to take a look at the information on your screen, you can find out all about Imagine Orthodontic Studio. Of course, you see the web address as well as the phone number to call to make an appointment. Locations in Clearwater, St. Pete, Tampa, Orlando, and Lakeland. And it has been such a pleasure talking with you today, Dr. Allison Starkenberg, board certified orthodontist.
Thank you.